Well, we are extremely pleased to be here with you today, dear one, and we are happy to dive deep into your question with you. So, where would you like to begin?
So my question is about receiving, and I've known and seen for a really long time the imbalance that I have with giving and receiving, and I see it. I see it in many different aspects of my life, and I'm really just wanting to open up into having a better balance of allowing more to flow in, just like I've learned how to more easily allow things to flow out.
So, let's start with breathing in. Let's start with bringing your awareness to your breath and just take a moment here to receive breath, which is life itself. And that's always the first place to start, in that tightening place of not allowing yourself to receive. It often coincides with not taking breath in, not filling your lungs completely, not fully oxygenating the body. So we do want to emphasize the importance of bringing consciousness to breath. So we're just going to start there by really having you breathe in through the nose and all the way down into your body. And just allowing your body to receive your breath, the oxygen, the air. Really allowing your body to take it in a way that it hasn't before. Really experiencing yourself receiving the deliciousness of breath, of life. Really feeling your body taking it in, like you're satiating your cells, you're satiating your lungs, you're satiating your blood with oxygen, with new energy, with new life. Each breath gives you an opportunity to bring new energy, new life into your body, into your bloodstream. Each breath is a new awareness. Each breath is an opportunity for you to receive. Slowly, deeply, really just taking it in. Breathing into your heart, breathing into your body. So now, as you're breathing here, what are you experiencing around receiving?
I'm feeling a little anxious and worried.
soften your body.
Like I feel worried that as soon as I sink into it, it'll be taken away, or that I can't relax into it, that I'm hurting someone else by doing this.
It's okay, dear one. Let all of that come up. Let all of that come up. What we want you to get of all of that feels so deep, that feels really real, is really, interestingly, at the surface. You've brought it all up. It's right here. It just wants to cry. Just that anxiety, that stress, that fear that you're going to hurt someone. It's actually, as we're breathing here with you, it's all at the top. It's all at the top of your energy field, and we want you to let those tears flow and feel it. And what we mean by that is that your problems aren't as deep as they feel. We really want you to get this, that you have done so much work, dear one. So much work. And you've given and given and given. You've given to others. You continue to give to others. And I just want you to keep breathing here. Breathing and feeling, just breathing and feeling and letting whatever energies, anxieties, tears are wanting to flow, to just flow here. And just receive your own tears. Receive. There's a beauty in just receiving your own emotions, receiving your own fear. And what we mean by that is the energy that you're holding with it is more up at the surface, almost like you're afraid to allow yourself to feel it. And we get that it feels like you've been feeling a lot of it for a long time. But we want you to really breathe here and give yourself the gift of receiving the rawness of your emotions, really being in them. The fear that it's not okay for you to receive, that you're hurting someone in the process of just being here with us, that someone else needs you more than you need yourself. Just go there. Just go there. What you need now is yourself. What you need now is yourself feeling all of this. We can't express enough the importance of you receiving you. You receiving you. You receiving your own heart. Your own love. It's all right here. It's all right here inside your heart, dear one. This heart of yours that gives and gives and gives, but has not yet received itself. Keep breathing here, because as you breathe here, you actually take in your own medicine. you actually take in your own love as you breathe into all of that fear, sadness, worry. Underneath, that's all at the surface, and what's underneath all of that is your own love, and we want you to breathe through all of that and begin to receive yourself. Your heart is so ready to crack open to you, to your own love, to your own love, to your own love. That's what you've been pushing away, dear one, is your own love. As you push away money, as you push away support, as you push away people, that's what's really going on, is the pushing away of your own love. It feels like defenses. So I just want you to keep breathing here into your own heart. Just softening your body, softening your body, softening your body, softening the walls of your heart. Breathing here as your divine team is here with you. You have such an angelic realm around you. Just keep breathing here as they're with you, softening your heart, beginning to reflect to you your own love, your own love, your own love. Your own love is so big. Your own love is the biggest thing you will ever feel in your life. You're receiving your own love is you experiencing yourself as source energy. Just breathe into your heart. Yeah. Yes, softening everything, just feeling your heart opening, feeling the walls, just softening, melting. Just you letting yourself in, your own love, you receiving you receiving your own medicine, your own love. It's the most healing thing. It'll heal every part of your body, dear one. This is you healing your physical symptoms. It's all of it. Your own love. It's like homeopathy. It's just coming in, dosing and dosing your own love. Your own love. Your own love is what cures you. Your own love is what heals you. It's not outside of you. Nothing is outside of you. Nothing is outside of you. It's your own love that you're here to receive, that you're here to come home to, dear one. Are you feeling that, dear one?
Yes.
Now we really want you to receive yourself. All the things that it feels like you're trying to receive from the outside, which is what everyone feels they are seeking and wanting to receive, it's all really coming down to you receiving you. This is the key right here. You are the doorway to your own love. And as you receive your own love, as you receive your own heart, everything breaks open. All of it. It all breaks open. Money, healing, relationships, external love. It all comes from this place here. This is where you are all journeying here. This place, this fifth dimensional place, is home to experiencing your own love, experiencing yourself as love, you receiving you, you receiving you. It's the ultimate God source connection, and it's the gateway to the creation of everything.
I feel just really aware of the kind of a sort of pressing in energy of what I perceive as others' need of me. And it feels like that love, that own self-love is just on the other side of it. And in order to get to it, I have to deny other people. And it feels like a lot of guilt and shame around that. And it just feels so old.
It is old, dear one. It is old. And interestingly enough, it's a trickster that you set up for yourself.
Yeah.
That guilt and shame was your excuse to keep you from loving yourself.
Yeah.
So all of that guilt and shame about they need you, they're going to need you, you can't give to yourself because you have to give to them, that's all a story that you set up for yourself that comes from victimhood consciousness. You're one of millions here. You're so far from alone. And it is the game that you set up to give you excuses to not love yourself.
To tell you how clear it seems to me to, there's the two kind of needs that I'm feeling. The one is of my child, who is, young and helpless and needs her mother, and the other is of my partner, who is adult and capable, and it is not the child's need that I feel getting in the way. It is not that need at all. I feel her okayness in such a deep way. It is the worry and the fear for the grown-up person, for the adult person, who I know is okay, but I worry. That's where my fear is. And I know how capable my partner is. I know how capable the adult is, but that's the place where I get caught. Yeah.
So, as you allow yourself to receive your own love, you really begin to get how all-powerful you are and the immensity of who you are as a source energy being. And as you really get that, you can't look at someone else and see them as less than that. Your partner isn't powerless. She isn't weak. She's not dependent on you. But again, what happens is a form of codependency that's the same frequency of another excuse to keep you from loving yourself, just like guilt and shame. So again, here's the game that humans play. So then you feel like if you give to yourself someone else is going to suffer. They're not going to make it. And that's not fair to either of you, because it's you holding her in a place of not seeing her as the all-powerful, unconditional source energy love being that she is. And so when you let go of that hat for her, you set her free to be that, to feel her source. And there's fear that can come up there, because then, oh, what if I let go of that? Then she won't need me. And then what? And then who will I be? So there's that piece of codependency that's playing there. And you're going to free your entire family by letting this go, dear one, and allowing yourself to receive your own love. And when we say this, it doesn't mean that you have to spend weeks and hours in a cave meditating away from your family. You can regenerate yourself very quickly by just taking time, moments throughout the day, minutes here, at bedtime, or when you wake up in the morning, just connecting into your own regenerative power source of your own love. And you can regenerate yourself so quickly that then you actually have so much more to offer your daughter and your partner. But instead, what happens is, and it's what moms do, is you keep giving until you're just a drained battery that's not recharging itself and giving the full light that you could be giving if you just took some minutes here, took some time there, to regenerate, to feel your own love, and then to allow your daughter and your partner to feel you as one who loves you and as an example of that for them. Wouldn't you want that for your daughter to feel her own love, to receive her own love, for your partner to feel her own love, to receive her own love?
Yes, I do.
That's a superpowered family.
What did I?
What was that?
With anything, I want that.
Yeah. So go there, dear one. That's what you're creating for your family. We know you have so much going on in all of that. And the biggest thing that we can say to you is begin to receive your own love. Be the example of that. Expect that of your daughter and your partner. Be excited for them. Be excited for this journey in all of you coming home to who you are as a family. However that looks, however that unfolds, you're all empowering yourself in a way that everyone is receiving. Everyone is receiving.
Oh.
All of you are receiving. So fulfilling, so satiating. Do you feel that?
I do.
Excellent. You're at a powerful place of a shift, dear one. This is big work that you're up to, and you're calling it in, and you're ready for it. Your whole family is ready for it. That's why it's getting uncomfortable for you now, because this shift is here for you. You are ready to start receiving. All three of you are ready to receive yourselves. A new form of family, a new form of self-love. And we promise you, as you allow all of this to sink in, it's going to transform your financial life. It's going to transform your health, your family's health. It's huge. It's just huge, dear one. You're ready for it. excellent work, dear one. We already feel the shift in you, and there's so much more to come for you, dear one. So well done. And with that, there is so much love here for you, and we look forward to chatting with you again.